When it comes to building a PC, enthusiasts often seek the perfect combination of aesthetics, functionality, and performance. The Segotep Snake PC case aims to meet these demands with its sleek design, ample features, and robust build quality. After putting it through its paces, here's a comprehensive review of this impressive case. The Segotep Snake PC case immediately stands out with its striking design. Its sleek, angular exterior coupled with tempered glass panel exude a premium feel. The black matte finish adds a touch of elegance while minimizing fingerprints and smudges. The build quality is commendable, with sturdy steel construction ensuring durability and stability. Functionality. One of the standout features of the Segotep Snake PC case is its excellent airflow design. With multiple ventilation points strategically placed throughout the case, airflow is optimized to keep internal components cool, even during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The inclusion of dust filters further enhances the longevity of the system by preventing dust buildup. Additionally, the case offers ample space for component installation and cable management. The layout is thoughtfully designed, allowing for easy access to components and hassle-free cable routing. The tool-less design of drive bays and expansion slots simplifies the installation process, making it suitable for both novice and experienced builders. The Segotep Snake PC case accommodates a wide range of motherboard form factors, including ATX, micro-ATX, and mini-ITX, providing users with flexibility in their build configurations. It also offers generous clearance for high-performance graphics cards and CPU coolers, enabling users to utilize powerful hardware without constraints. Furthermore, the case boasts extensive support for storage options, with multiple drive bays and mounting points for SSDs and HDDs. This ensures that users can easily expand their storage capacity as needed, whether for gaming, content creation, or multimedia purposes. In conclusion, the Segotep Snake PC case impresses on all fronts. Its sleek design, robust build quality, excellent airflow, and extensive compatibility make it a standout choice for PC enthusiasts and builders alike. Whether you're a gaming aficionado, content creator, or professional user, this case provides the perfect foundation for building a powerful and visually stunning PC. With the Segotep Snake PC case, form truly meets function in an exceptional package.